Hi, I want to welcome you to the new SwiftUI playlist. What does this truly really do or mean in SwiftUI? This is a playlist that explains SwiftUI concepts, controls, views, modifiers, and animations with practical examples. In this very first example, we will look at what a menu does in SwiftUI. So let's get started. We can use a menu in SwiftUI to present a list of action items. A menu in SwiftUI reveals its options by tapping and holding or using a single tap. In this example, we have a text view inside a navigation stack. So let's add a menu inside the navigation stack. After the padding modifier, I'm going to add a toolbar. We want the menu icon to appear on the top right of the screen, as you see over here. To make the icon appear on the top right, we can use the toolbar modifier in SwiftUI. The toolbar modifier has a lot of slots for positioning specified items. So let's add it here. We use a closure for creating the toolbar. So inside the closure, we need to add the toolbar items. We are going to add only one item here. Our toolbar item also has a closure. Now we need to specify where we want to place the toolbar item. There are so many places on the screen where you can place the item. For example, the top left, top center, top right, and even on the keyboard. Let's place it on the top right. To do this, we are going to use the placement parameter. Then we need to say we want it to appear on the top right by using the navigation bar trailing. In the closure of the toolbar item, we need to add the menu. That also has a closure and label. For the label, we will use an ellipsis. Let's set its foreground color to a gray color, and that appears on the top right. Now tapping that does not show anything. We can move it from the top right by changing the placement. For example, we can put it at the principal, which is the top center, or we can leave it at the top left, which is navigation leading. There are some other slots such as the bottom part of the screen or the keyboard. Let's undo the change to make it appear on the top right. To click the menu and reveal its action items, we need to add all the items inside the menu closure. Let's add our first item, which is a destructive button. We can now click to reveal the button. Below the first button, we can add another one also. So our second button has the text over here and an image. So we can add several buttons to the menu. So let's add the last one. Basically, this is what a menu does in SwiftUI. I hope you got something useful from this video. Thanks for watching.